Coach Gail here, and you ever wonder why us coaches are constantly telling you to get at least 10,000 steps in, if not more? Well, there's a lot of mental health and physical health benefits in doing just that on a daily basis. First, let's talk about the physical. It helps with weight loss, all right? It's going to help improve your ability to lose weight or lose body fat. It's also going to strengthen the heart and lungs. It's also going to help strengthen your bones, all right? So you're going to be able to have denser, better quality bone structure. So with all those things, it's a benefit to just get out and do something. So here we've got Jordan's working on the treadmill, but I'm going to also show you how you can take this outside. All right, so let's go boost our mood outside now. So walking outside is even a greater benefit. Number one, it helps boost our brain function overall, whether it's inside or outside. But you want to boost your mood as well. Coming outside and getting some direct vitamin D on a great day like today is a great boost to your energy level and your overall mood. So let's go for a walk. So when you're moving your arms, you want to make sure that you're moving them correctly. No windshield wipers, no rocking the babies, okay? What you want to do is think about your hip to just under your chin when you're walking. So you should be walking like this. Now it might look a little goofy in the beginning, but I promise you this swing right here can help you go faster if you want to walk faster. Especially if you want to take this into a jog or a run, the faster your arms move, the faster your feet go, okay? So when you're walking, make sure that you're doing this nice swing with your arms. All right, so let's go for a walk.